Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into a tutorial on task creation on Asana. Let's get started. The first step is to log into your Asana account. This is the platform where everything happens, from project management to task creation. It's crucial because it's the hub of your productivity and collaboration. Now that we're in, let's move to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a button that says Create Task. Click on it. The reason we do this is because it initiates the task creation process. Once you've clicked, a new window will appear. This is your task creation window. Enter the name of your task in the provided field. This helps us because it gives your task a title, making it easier to identify in your task list. Next up, you'll see another field labeled Description. Type in a detailed description of the task. This is where you break down what the task entails. It's important to be specific here, as it gives you and your team a clear idea of what needs to be done. After you've done that, let's move on to setting a due date for your task. Click on the due date field, and a calendar will pop up. Select the date when you expect the task to be completed. This is crucial because it gives you a timeline to work with and helps your team prioritize their tasks. Now let's assign the task. On the right side of the task window, you'll find a field labeled Assignee. Click on it and type the name of the team member you want to assign the task to. This is critical as it designates responsibility and ensures the task doesn't fall through the cracks. Finally, click on the Create Task button at the bottom of the window. This finalizes your task and adds it to your task list. And there you have it. That's how you create a task on Asana. Remember, efficient task creation is key to successful project management. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next one.